Hi there, this is our semi-automatic capsule filling machine. Standard configuration 2 capsule trays. It can be powdered into hard capsule size 000-5. Shipment PLC, stable running, easy operation. Double automatic capsule sewing structure, high speed to 40,000 pieces per hour. Variety of filling screw heads help you solve the filling problem of viscose materials. Higher case filling precision. Accuracy rate exceeds 97%. New design of horizontal capsule locking, save time and labor, and no powder leakage. Fully meets CE, CGNT, European and USA standards. We provide on-site debugging, training service, manual and technical files that you worry-free using. To purchase capsule filling machine, choose Rich Packing.